Hello, I'm gonna show you how to download anime video from the site Kiss Anime. It's my favorite site, and my choice was Sword Art Online Season 2 subtitled Episode 2, because the first season and the first episodes are already downloading here. Well, you'll just choose here your I'll show this later. You choose the quality you want, so I'll choose just 720p. I'll click this button that it's being full screen. I'll click my right mouse button and then video save as, or just Control and then S button. You'll click it, and you get here a little pop-up. You name it SAO from Sword Art Online space, and then S2 from Season 2, E2 from Episode 2, and then you just simply click save. Well, yeah, on Dutch it says opslaan, but you just click save, but you also can just call it video playback or every anime you wanted. It's just, that's where it is, and well, I just got it in a map here, Season 1. I'll just create a map Season 2 when I downloaded everything, and well, yeah, you just click save, and then here you see that it's downloading your video. So yeah, that was a quick tutorial, but you also just can click around one of these 720, I should say, and then it gives you also the big screen. You just do exactly the same thing, just video save and then save. But yeah, so that's how you download from Kiss Anime. Yeah, that's it. Bye.